Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial on loops. Before we dive into the different types of loops, let's understand what a loop is and why we use them in programming. A loop is a control structure that allows you to execute a block of code multiple times. They are essential in programming because they allow you to automate repetitive tasks, making your code more efficient and easier to read. In Python, there are two types of loops: for loops and while loops. Let's start by discussing for loops. A for loop is used to iterate over a sequence such as a list, tuple, or string. Here is an example of a for loop that iterates over a list of numbers and prints each number. Now let's talk about while loops. A while loop will keep executing the code block within it as long as a specified condition is true. Here is an example of a while loop that prints the numbers from 1 to 5. To control the execution of a loop, we can use the break and continue statements. The break statement is used to exit the loop prematurely when a specified condition is met. Here's an example of a for loop that prints the numbers from 1 to 10 but breaks out of the loop when the number 5 is reached. The continue statement, on the other hand, is used to skip the current iteration of the loop and move on to the next one. Here's an example of a for loop that prints the numbers from 1 to 10 but skips the number 5. That covers the basics of loops in Python. Remember to practice and experiment with loops to get a better understanding of their functionality and potential. Thanks for watching.